Hello teachers, today I am going to discuss intermediate level C5 additional activity. So in the first additional activity, you have to help the student to add a sound in the treasure game. So there are two events where we are supposed to add the sound. So one is when the diver is going to touch the shark. The next is when the diver is going to touch the treasure chest. So we will request the student to go to the world section and get the play sound block. They can click on the drop down and click on the choose option. There are various categories that they can click on. So for example, let's say I am choosing this. I will click on the choose option and the sound is selected. So the same step will be repeated for this event as well. So that is all for the treasure chest activity. And then you can ask the student to click on the run option and check. Then sorry, then we are going to do the second additional activity if we have more time left. So it's the mouse and the cheese activity. So here the mouse wants to eat the cheese and we are going to apply the concept of the move pixel code block along with our x coordinate and y coordinate learning. So here again the student has to have a good knowledge about the directions, that which direction the mouse is going to move towards and how many pixels can it help him to cover the distance. So here the when right press, since the mouse is supposed to go to the east direction, which is the right direction, so we are using the when pressed event with the right direction. And we are using the move pixels code block. Once again, the move pixels code block is from the sprite section. Okay, and here we will choose the mouse. The sprite will be mouse since he is supposed to move. Then the count. Okay, again the number of pixels you want, you can help ask the student to experiment with this. They can increase or decrease the pixel if they want the mouse straight away, at once to go and eat the cheese. So accordingly they can make the changes, and the direction will be the east direction. So these are the two additional activities that you can do if you have more time left. Now let's come to the project. Let's discuss the project. So the name of the project is Core a Go. Again, they are going to apply the learning to use pixels and give multiple user inputs, the pressing buttons up, down, left and right. You can always guide the student to do read the story that is there for a better understanding. Then the student is supposed to click on the project template and remix the project and rename it as project 5 and save it. Now, once they open the template, they will see that some of the blocks are already done. So it is already mentioned that the background and the main sprites are already created. And one of the examples for the event, the when up pressed with the move pixels, is also done for them. So they have to complete the activity by completing the when right, down and left pressed event along with the when touches events. Let's look at the activity. So here, till here it is done, till the when up is pressed. So again they will apply the learning with the when right, down and left and the pixels. Also the when touches event, that when the ball is going to touch the wrench, then the ball will be removed. They can always click on the run option to check if the project is successfully running. Then they will click on the share option, copy the link and share in the submission box. So that is all for the additional activity and the project. Thank you.